$230 is how much I made today day trading in 5 minutes. Let's take a look at what I did. Let's go. Before I start, guys, I just want to show you SPX on a 5 minute here. As you can tell, a huge uptrend today. We went up almost $34 or about 0.62% on a day. So definitely not surprising because we were consolidating in a range for the past 8 days now. So now we finally, we didn't break the range quite yet, but we got out of that support that was about like 54.50-ish. That was a magnet. We're always back to it all the time. Excuse me, let me show you. Right, that 54.50-ish, as you can tell, always came back and we tested it, we tested it, we test. So we finally got out of it today. But we're not out of the wood yet for the bulls. I mean, bulls have been winning because we are in a bull market for sure. But you know, so far we have that huge resistances that we just passed today. But we have that huge resistance here, 55.23 and some change here. So let's see if we test it, flush, testing, and just cut through it like butter and go higher to all-time highs. We'll see. All right, let's go into what happened today. First trade. Over here, that's a screenshot of the beginning of the day. 5 minute time frame on SPX. Flushed at first, came back, flushed again, came back, flushed again. And at that flush, we took out the previous low over here, that candle. So I decided to just enter it. And as I enter it, it reversed in my face big time to then just go back a little bit lower, but not as much. So anyway, right on this one, I lost $230. First trade of the day. Second trade of the day, and that was it for today, only 2 trades. Let me show you over here. Here we go. So once again, that's now SPX on 15 minutes. My first loss was around here, right? Or this one actually. And then went back higher and higher and higher. Started to just, you know, grind higher. And I drew a trend line here, as you can tell, from the previous high of the day below, the day prior, until the high of the day here. And then I drew a super trend line over here. We hit that upper trend line and I started to flush. I started to load my contract and then cut in strength right away. On this trade here, I made $460. So total for the day, $230. That's it. Let me show you here. Okay. All right. And so you can tell here all the contract and everything. Maybe turn around. Okay. All right. So like I said, the first trade I lost 230. Second trade I made 460. Total for the day, 230. 5 minutes. If I go back here, 712, 714 as my first trade, and then 818 to 821 is my second trade. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.